just got this. Let's unbox it. All right, again, there is your training collar. This is the remote control. Let's take it out of its... Wow, this thing looks pretty darn awesome. It also has these things, which I have no idea what these are, but we're gonna figure out what they are, aren't we? It does come with a couple cords. It's got, oh look, so you can charge two things at once. Oh, here's the collar. Wow, it looks like one of those Apple Watches. All right, we'll get that off of there. Take this off. Looks pretty sturdy. If I can get the thing off of here. All right, so this is vibration mode, right? This is sound, and this is the shock, and this is more shock, okay? And this raises your levels here, okay? And over here you can lock it or unlock it, and this has channels on it. All right, so we have to turn this one on, so we got to press this, and that should turn it on. Let me press and hold. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're on now, right? So anyway, look in the back. That's the on button. That's the charge button. Now we should feel something here. All right, so let's go ahead. We'll do a vibration first because we don't want to, you know, let's do vibration. Oh. So it goes for just a couple seconds. Watch. Okay. Now there's a beep I hit right here. Watch. So that's like a sound. So you could do like, okay, the dog's not doing what you say, so you go like this, and then it's followed with a little shock. Ooh. Oh, shit. that spooked me. So like, let's bring it down. I don't want to do, I'm going to do level 1 first. Let me see how I like it. All right, I'm holding on to it. So not too bad. Let's go to level 2. All right, here we go. You ready? I'm not really feeling it. See, I got my fingers on there. So level 2 doesn't really give me too much. Let's go to level 3. I think I'm going to feel it on level 3. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, you definitely get a shock on level 3. Ooh, shoot. So what you can do is like with your dog, you could go, and then if he doesn't follow, then you hit him with a shock, and then he's like, oh, shoot, when I hear that sound, I'm going to get a shock. So he associate the Pavlov's ringing the bell with the shock. So you don't have to shock him then. You know, he'll just know. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So that's how that works. Yeah, and then I'm not going to go up any higher because I don't really feel like getting shocked. But that's how it works, all right? And, you know, to charge it, you've got, oh, here's your USB-C here, and here's your USB-C here. Right there. See it? Right there. So you can charge both of these up. This one's battery's charged up. Look. It's pretty good. But anyway, check it out. Let's do the buzzy. I think that's really enough to get your doggy to do his thing. So if you go like this, and then you go, and then if he doesn't want to do it, then you hit it here. Ooh. And that's it. Bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.